Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra. This is because a prominent Igbo leader and the founding national chairman of the All Progressive Grand Alliance, APGA, and who right now is the chairman of the board of trustees of APGA, Chief Chekwas Okorie, known as the Igbo. He has posed a question to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, wondering why Tinubu has not abandoned Nnamdi Kanu's case. In other words, Chief Chekwas Okorie, the man who founded APGA. Of course, not many of you are aware of this. APGA was founded and registered as a political party by Chief Chekwas Okorie. He founded it, then Dim Odumegwu used it as a platform to contest for president in 2003. And that's why there are some people who think that APGA was founded by Dim Odumegwu. It's not true. It was founded by Chief Chekwas Okorie, and he became the pioneer chairman of APGA. Now, he raised an interesting question, and that's why I want us to look at what he's talking about here. In his verified Twitter handle, he was asking why he was calling on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to also abandon Nnamdi Kanu's case, the same way they have abandoned the case of Sunday Igbo. Of course, he didn't stipulate it, but that's apparently what he was saying. The same way they have the one he made reference to was also the same way they abandoned the case of this in bad governance protesters that were recently set free. Okay, their case had been abandoned through the directive of the president. So he wants that kind of abandonment, okay, to be able to be extended to Nnamdi Kanu. And of course, you know that the release of Nnamdi Kanu had been an issue of concern to several Igbo leaders and other women in Nigerians who think that it is important in order to be able to ensure inclusiveness and insecurity, to reduce insecurity in the southeast, that it will help. Okay, so he, in his verified Twitter handle, I'm talking about Chief Chekwas Okorie, this is what he wrote in his verified Twitter handle. He said, in the case of Nnamdi Kanu, I began to wonder whether Nolle Prosequi, I will explain what Nolle Prosequi means when I finish reading his tweet, in his verified X handle. He wrote, in the case of Nnamdi Kanu, I began to wonder whether Nolle Prosequi no longer exists in our statute. Now that Nolle Prosequi has been invoked to discharge and acquit those accused of felony, I plead to President Tinubu to do the same for Nnamdi Kanu. Okay? And he now posed a question. Is being Igbo his dilemma? Now, he is saying that Nolle Prosequi should also be applied to Nnamdi Kanu. And then he now asks a very important question. Is it because Nnamdi Kanu is Igbo? That's why Nolle Prosequi is not being applied to him. Now let us explain what this Nolle Prosequi is all about. Nolle Prosequi is nothing else than to abandon a case, to say that it's no longer your wish. Elementary explanation of it is that not to wish to prosecute, not to wish to prosecute. That's, you are decided to abandon a case. Nolle Prosequi is a Latin phrase. It is a legal notice or entry of record that the prosecutor or plaintiff has decided to abandon the prosecution or lawsuit. Remember that Igbo's case was Nolle Prosequi. That was what they did. They abandoned the case and he was set free. That was why he was able to go to London to present the petition for Yoruba Nation at the 10 Downing Street to the British Prime Minister. Okay, that was because his matter was considered closed. The state abandoned the case. The state has also done similar thing in the case of the youths that were arrested and detained for over 90 days, and detained for over 90 days for alleged plot to overthrow the government because of their participation in the End Bad Governance protest that was held across the country, in parts of the country, in August. So, in other words, Chief Chekwas Okorie is pleading with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to invoke the same Nolle Prosequi on Nnamdi Kanu's matter so that he can also be set free. And if you look at his argument, he makes a lot of sense. He makes a lot of sense. The president can decide to do that, because if they can do it for Igbo, they can do it for others, they can also do it for him. Okay, and many leaders from the southeast, including the late Ohanese leader, Chief Emmanuel, had severally called on not only this president, including the former president Muhammad Buhari, to release Nnamdi Kanu. But the Buhari administration that time said they want the court to, let him pass through the court process. But a lot of people have said this is not a matter for court process, it's something that has to be settled politically. But Buhari insisted that it's passed through the court. Many people were shocked when the court said now, when they got to the point where the court say, okay, free the man, the court set him free. Before you know it, they now brought more charges against him. In other words, they said that they accused the Buhari administration of not being interested in releasing him in the ab initio. But I think Chief Chekwas Okorie has presented a very important appeal to the president. The onus is now on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to see how he can do as Chekwas Okorie suggested, or he continued to think that Nnamdi Kanu can continue to be in detention as long as he can appoint Ojukwu's wife. Maybe people will be happy. People will forget about Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know whether that's their thinking. But whatever may be the case, Chief Chekwas Okorie has raised an important issue, and we have to talk about it here. And I think that the presidency should look at his suggestion and do what is right, because what is good for the goose is also good for the gander, as they used to say, or as they say. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.